Okay, so today we're going to be presenting how to watch live concerts online. So what is live stream? It's when the film video is sent over to the internet in real time without first being recorded and stored like live news. Live stream concerts allow you to instantaneously watch your favorite musicians perform on your own devices from the comfort of your home, and is a great way to support lesser known musicians whose careers may be struggling during the pandemic. So some of the pros and cons of live streaming concerts. Some of the pros would be that you can watch live concerts from your own devices or wherever you are. And tickets are less expensive than in person concerts, and certain shows are free or discounted. As well as certain websites have the option for you to buy VIP/slash front row tickets that allow you to interact with artists online. And some of the cons are that since the concerts are 100% live, you must show up at the exact start time, and you cannot pause, rewind, or watch the concert again after the live stream is over. And there's less variety of concerts and artists available. So these are some places where you can stream concerts online. So the first one is NPR Music Live Sessions. The second one is Sessions Live, and the third one is Topeka. So the first one, NPR Music Live Stream. So using NPR Music Live Sessions, you can go on the website and you can watch clips from concerts, music festivals, and live recordings at any time for free. I'm not really sure if any of you are familiar with YouTube, but a lot of these recordings are also on YouTube, and you can also access theme playlists and localized stations on their website. So using the NPR Music live stream, you go onto their website and you would click on the watch live to browse upcoming concerts, and then you would simply tune in at the designated time to watch for free. So at the bottom, it would give you the information as to when the concert would be starting. Okay, and the second one is Sessions Live. So using Session Live is a website and an app that allows you to buy tickets virtual live streamed concerts. The concerts usually last an hour and cost around $10 to $20 per ticket. And you can play them from any of your devices. And to buy tickets, you'll need to create a free account. The chat feature lets you talk with the musicians and other viewers before and during the concert. So using Session Live, there's a global artist. It displays on the start of the website, and you can browse upcoming shows and take a look at the artist and click on a show to see all the information on the artist, the time, and the date of the concert. So using Live Session, you can select tickets, whether they're VIP, after party, or general admission. And then you'll just have to input your contact information to purchase the tickets on your free account, and then you'll receive a confirmation email from the website. So the third one is Topeka. So using Topeka is a virtual platform whose purpose is to allow bands and their fans to connect in an authentic way. They usually stream 1 to 3 live concerts per week, and the concerts are generally $20 to $30 for general admission tickets. And there is also an option to purchase live video hangout sessions to have a one-on-one conversation with an artist. So using Topeka, you click on upcoming events to see what concerts they have available. And now they have their streaming events, their one-on-one sessions, and then information about their website. So you have to browse through their website and click get tickets options, and then you'll be able to see the prices and the times that the concerts will be live. As well, they have a pricing tier, so you can have front row, balcony, and then there's bundles. And for front row tickets, it lets you appear on screen in front of the artist while they perform. And balcony tickets are general admission where you could see the singer, but they can't see you. And then you'll just have to put your contact information and your credit card details to purchase the tickets. So watching online concerts. Ways to watch online concerts are directly from your devices, and you can play from your computer and connect to your TV via HDMI cord. As well, if you have an Apple TV, you're able to cast from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer to your TV via AirPlay. As well, with Samsung Smart TVs, you're able to cast from your phone to your TV using your smartphone. Other websites for watching concerts are www.livenow.com, Ticketmaster live streaming, www.showclix.com, and YouTube. So also there's many artist live streams their concert directly on their own official websites. Finding in-person concerts. So now that public health regulations are starting to loosen, many musicianal artists are starting to play in-person shows again. Depending on the location, rules may differ. There may be assigned seating, mandatory mask, and or vaccination passports requirement. If you feel comfortable with attending concerts in person, there are many different websites you can use to book. Now, with that being said, there are still many measures put in place, but there's still a risk of exposure to COVID or any other infections when attending these concerts. So Eventbrite is a place where you can purchase tickets for concerts. It lets you view upcoming concerts, music festivals, and other fun online and in-person events. You would just have to go to their website, choose your location where you would like to view the concert, whether that be in your city or a different city, and click on an event that interests you to learn more about the event and possibly buy tickets. Now, Ticketmaster is a website and an app that lets you buy and sell tickets online for concerts, sports, theater, and other events near you. This one's quite popular, and you're able to find full tour schedules, seating charts, and concert venues. As well, there's many well-known artists and popular artists that sell their concert tickets through Ticketmaster, including Elton John, Keith Urban, Bryan Adams, and David Archuleta. I don't really know how to say that. So when you go to Ticketmaster, you're gonna go right to their website, and then you're gonna click on concerts or sports, whatever category that you're looking into, and then you're gonna choose a city and a zip code, and then you're gonna click let see tickets to see what events are coming up in your area and view the ticket availability. Now let's take a tour of Session Live. Okay, so now this is what the website would look like when you first enter onto it. So it shows its featured events, and if you keep scrolling down a little bit, oops, and then it will show some upcoming artists that they have on this website. So different types of singers from United Kingdom, Bulgaria, Philippines, from all over. So okay, so now when you would get to the homepage, you would either be able here to show sign up or login. So to sign up, we're just going to click on the sign up button. And then we'd have to enter an email address. Oop. So we're just going to log in. Okay, so this is what it would look like when you log in, sort of the same as when you first enter the website. So if I just go down a little bit to some of the featured events, so we're able to click see all right under featured events, and then you'll be able to see all of their featured events where you're able to look at tickets and things, concerts that will be coming up. So there's this artist that I clicked on, and here you'll be able to see view profile of the artist. Um, as well, you'll notice that they'll speak about some of the tickets they have and the ways you can support rising artists and show them love. So we're just going to go down, and then you'll be able to see under this that you can select your ticket. So now usually here they would have all different options, but this one is just free for general admission. So you would just click on the so you would go down just a little bit and click on the claim button to join the concert. Now, if you go click on tickets at the top, you'll be able to see all the tickets that you have claimed, whether they're free or the tickets that you did pay for, they'll all show up right here. And now when you go back to the main page of the website, now here's where you'll be able to view all featured events and artists, and the dates will show up as well as the times. So if you click view profile for an artist that you may like, you'll be able to see that you're able to chat with the artist as well as the artist level and some of their upcoming sessions that they have. Now, another cool feature of this website is that you're able to follow and subscribe to some of these artists, and then you'll have them available to you on your page to see any of their other events that might be coming up. So now if I just go down a little bit and I click follow and subscribe. So now if I want to find all my artists that I have followed, I will just click at the top, click on fandom, and you'll see that I've followed some of these artists here.
Thank you so much for presenting. So if you want to learn this lesson with the Cyber Seniors Mentor, you can always check out the website or call the number on the screen to register for a one-on-one. And if you have a question that you think will take less than 30 minutes to answer, then you can always drop into the weekly sessions on Thursdays from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time.